Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a day in the life. We're going to be doing a little bit of unboxing from some things I got from Amazon. I'm going to be sharing with you what I got and how I organize these things, as well as I'll be doing my nails and show you guys how I'm able to do them at home and save a lot of money. So this first unboxing are these leather pouches, and these are so totally cute. Great space savers, and these are going in my purse. Y'all know I love to use pouches for my purse organizations. So yeah, these come in a 4-pack and are super cute. Now this next unboxing are these soap holders. These are silicone and they are slanted for self-draining. They come 2 in a pack and you can get a variety of colors. I think these are going to be easy to clean. We're going to see how they hold up. So this next item is a peel organizer. It's made from bamboo, totally cute, aesthetically pleasing. I can leave this out on my countertops and it'll look fine. You can easily store a week's worth of peels, vitamins, or supplements in this and easily be able to take your peels. Okay, so I came across this pack of slap bracelets that are great DIY projects, also party favors, coloring projects for kids, but I like the hack for holding gift wrapping paper. So I'm going to move on to doing my nails because I do need to do them, y'all. I hate when I don't do my nails or go a week without having them done because they tend to break. So I have like 2 to 3 broken nails right now. I got band-aids holding them in place so I didn't lose my nail. And I do that because I can easily repair them with these gel stickers that are easy to put on. Also, I don't have to worry about any drying time. These are just amazing, y'all. As a mom, I just had to change my game. I don't use a lot of nail polish right now with babies and kids because honestly, y'all, as I'm doing my nails, my husband was bringing baby to me. So as soon as I finished my nails, I had to grab baby. So I don't have time to dry nails anymore. So I literally came across these gel stickers and they work great. So how I put these on, I first start by taking the alcohol wipe that it comes with because the package comes with everything you need. I pulled out the blue, but I decided to go with the purple, as you can see in the video. I shape my nails for the way that I want them to look and file it down. Then take the alcohol wipe your nails off because for me, you want to have clean nails. And there's no right way to do these. You just kind of have to just test and see which way works better for you. I've tried different ways. This one works great for me. I also have another set of non-gel stickers that I also used and I switch them out. Sometimes I do gel, sometimes I do non-gel stickers, but they work great. You want to find the size for your nail. If you want to size smaller, always go down rather than up. And then I cut off the end piece, whatever's extra. This has been game changer for me. Just cut it off as close to your nail as possible. And the scissors, amazing. Nail scissors are so amazing for this. I tried the clippers. The scissors just work so much better for me. But I do this for all my nails, put the stickers on. And again, these are the gel stickers. So once we cure them, they're going to harden. And for me, using my real nails, I need and like to have hard nails so that they don't break. So that's how I'm able to repair my broken nails, and I don't like cut my broken nail off. I just repair it with these stickers. So you will see in the video, I'm going to stop talking and let music play, but I'll come back and tell you as I'm going through what I'm doing. But for now, I'm putting all my stickers on my nails and we're going to cure them once I have them on. The package also comes with this little wood nail pusher, so you can push the sticker under your cuticle if need be, but I always like to use it to push it down and make sure it's nice and tight and sealed around the edges. Now we're going to move on to curing the stickers. So the curing is when they harden up. So do not have your extra stickers around because they'll get hard. So I cure mine for 60 seconds and then I file them down. They are going to be harder, but they're easier to file when they're hard versus when they're soft stickers. So that's why I file when they're cured. So as you can see in the video, this is another one of my broken nails. Literally, it's in my skin, as you guys can see. So no, I did not want to break this off. So we are going to be repairing it with these gel stickers, so that again, it's going to harden down, it's going to protect it, and then I'm going to come through with my lifesaver, which is my holy grail, and that is the top coat. You guys, do not sleep on the top coat. Do not forget to do it. The top coat is literally the best thing ever. I will use this same top coat even on non-gel stickers because I love this top coat so much. So once I get this hand done, you're going to see me cure this hand, and then I'm going to come back with my top coat, which is absolutely necessary. Like I mentioned earlier, this top coat is extremely necessary. I love it. I do thick coats, and then we're going to cure it under the UV light, and it's going to sit. This is what makes my nails last a long time. It lasts through cleaning, it lasts through anything I'm doing. And I use this top coat even for my non-gel stickers. Sometimes I use gel stickers, sometimes I use non-gel stickers. I have a variety of nail stickers that I use, but no matter what type of sticker I decide to go with, I always follow through with this top coat and cure it under the UV light. It is game changing. Your nails will be hard and they will not be breaking. So that's one way I'm able to protect my real nails, as well as do my nails on the go, and it does not take long to dry. I literally will cure this for about a minute to a minute and a half, so 60 to 90 seconds. And this is what makes my nails last. So it's an inexpensive way to do gel nails without breaking the bank and without having to worry about any drying time whatsoever. Once I cure them under the light, y'all, pick baby up and keep it moving. I love not having to worry about drying my nails. I cure them for 60 to 90 seconds and I'm good to go. I can go grab baby and keep it going. These look good. They look like they are salon nails, but they're not. They're gel, they're hard, and I have loved this system. So I get them from Amazon. I will link them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.